What do you know about different types of maintenance applied on electrical equipment? What is periodic maintenance, corrective maintenance, or predictive maintenance? In this video, we will understand every single definition of those. So please consider subscribing in Electrical Engineering Planet channel to support our community. Also, don't forget to share, like, and let knowledge enlighten your world. Let's start with periodic maintenance or preventive maintenance. We call it also preventive maintenance. And from its name, we apply this maintenance at regular time intervals, regardless of equipment condition. So also from its name, we prevent unexpected failures by maintaining equipment before issues arise. So here, for example, if we are lubricating our bearings every 4000 hours of working. Also, we could clean motor cooling fins every month, checking winding resistance, insulation resistance every 6 months. So the pros here is it's simple to schedule, reduces risk of sudden failure, but the cons actually, this may lead to unnecessary maintenance if the equipment is still in a good condition. But actually it's not a problem actually, because if you are doing this periodic maintenance very well, it will reduce what we call corrective maintenance. So what is corrective maintenance or breakdown maintenance? It's maintenance performed after a failure occurs to restore equipment to working condition. So our goal here is to fix the problem and resume operation. So for example, if our contactor has burned out, so we have to replace it with a different contactor. Or if our motor has a problem on its bearings, we have to repair the motor bearing. Or if our motor has a problem, we have to repair or replace our motor. So the pros actually, it's simple and cost effective in non-critical systems. But in critical systems like oil and gas systems, this is not a very good condition. So we have to reduce this corrective maintenance because it will cause unexpected downtime and it will be a high cost because it will take a very long time, which will reduce the productivity. This is too much money actually. So here we can make a very good equation. We can divide the corrective maintenance on a year over the complete work over a year. The complete work is a corrective maintenance plus periodic maintenance. So here if it's less than 5%, it means that we are applying a very good periodic maintenance, which have reduced the corrective maintenance. But if it's more than 5%, it means that we are not applying a very good periodic maintenance, so the corrective maintenance is too much. Now let's move on and see what is predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance, from its name, we predict the problem before it's happening. So here, maintenance based on real-time condition monitoring and data analysis to predict when failure will occur. So our goal here is to perform maintenance just before failure to minimize downtime and cost. For example, we are using a vibration tester analysis to detect bearing wear in motors. Also monitoring motor temperature using thermal image camera to understand if there is a problem in the windings. Using infrared cameras to predict electrical faults. Here the pros actually is reduces downtime and extend equipment life. Also make an optimization for the maintenance schedules. The cons actually is it requires special equipment, training and initial investment. So here this is a summary table. We have here the periodic maintenance, corrective maintenance, predictive maintenance. Here the periodic is working based on time. It's a time intervals actually. For corrective, it's based on failure. We are working after a failure. Predictive, it's a condition analysis. As we said, periodic is scheduled, corrective is after failure, Predictive is just before failure. We are predicting the problem before it's happening. For cost impact, periodic is medium. Corrective is high if it's a critical. Predictive actually, it's high at the beginning, initial cost, high initial cost. But after that, we will have a low long-term cost impact. For tools, here for periodic, we are using basic tools like measure, multimeter, and so on. For the corrective, we are just use hand tools to replace the problem. For predictive maintenance, we are using sensors, vibration tester, thermal camera image, software, analytics, and so on. So, in the next video, we will understand how to apply periodic maintenance on 3-phase low voltage induction motor. So please consider subscribing in Electrical Engineering Planet channel to support our community. Also, don't forget to share, like, and let knowledge enlighten your world. Thanks for watching.